During the question hour on the fifth day of the ongoing autumn session of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Knam MLA Adalbert Nongrum raised a question on the hike of beef prices in the market and sought clarification from the government as to what initiative it has taken to address the issue. Congress MLA Hima Shangpliang also raised concerns on the growing illegal cattle smuggling to Bangladesh, especially during the festival of Eid, in which a cow costing rupees 20,000 in Meghalaya is being illegally smuggled to Bangladesh for rupees 1 lakh. Meanwhile, the Minister in charge of Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department, Sanbor Shulai, in his reply said that the matter has been taken up with the Assam government, which also concerns the Assam Cattle Preservation Act 2021. He also informed that the state police are working closely with the BSF to increase checking in border areas and clamp down on illegal cattle smuggling.
Why I ask this question is that I have heard from many traders that the price of cattle are increased to fall after Assam bill. So how can we be sure that price if beef will not be inflated?
Mr. Speaker, sir, we have here the notification as per the Meghalaya State Agriculture Produce and Livestock Marketing Promotion and Facilitating Act 2020, where we have issued a notification and very soon transit pass or permit will be issued to the local traders.
Relating to the Assam Cattle Protection Act 2021 or the Bill 2021. For an immediate reaction from the Meghalaya government towards Assam in this regard, we have been told in this House that a letter has been sent to the Assam government. May we know what are the main issues or the contents of this letter which was sent from Meghalaya to the Assam Chief Minister?
The content of the letter, I'll read it short in brief, Mr. Speaker, sir. The local bovine animal traders are now unable to procure milch cows and other bovine animals for legitimate business purpose due to Section 7 within bracket 1, subsection 1 and 2, and Section 7 of the Assam Cattle Preservation Act 2021. A copy of the relevant provision is enclosed herewith for ready reference. Under Section 7 within bracket 1 of the Assam Cattle Preservation Act 2021, no person shall transport or offer for transport or cause to be transported by any cattle without valid permit. And under Section 7 within bracket 7 of the same Act, the permit issued for subsection 1 within bracket 2 and 3 shall be in such form and in such manner and subject to payment of such fee as may be prescribed by the state government, whereas under Section 3 within bracket A of the same Act, state government means the government of Assam. A plain reading of Section 7 within bracket 1 and within bracket 7 and Section 3 within bracket 1 of the Assam Cattle Preservation Act 2021 reveal that only the government of Assam is authorized to issue valid permit for transportation of cattle from any place of other state through Assam to any place outside the state of Assam. I take this opportunity to impress upon you your esteem self that the Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department, Government of Meghalaya, is competent to issue valid permits to the legitimate bovine animals traders from Meghalaya state to procure bovine animals from any other state, including Assam, and transport through Assam for agriculture and other livestock business purposes. I request you sir, kindly look into the critical legal provision as explained above and issue necessary instruction to the concerned to facilitate hassle-free transport of bovine animals through Assam by the Meghalaya bovine traders bringing bovine animals from outside Meghalaya.